In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best robot window cleaners 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best robot window cleaners 2026 on Amazon. Number 1. ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni Window Cleaning Robot with 6-in-1 multifunction station, true edge edge-to-edge precision, triple wide-angle spray nozzles, 12-level safety system, dual power modes, smart window cleaning robot, automated cleaning for glass surfaces with high precision and efficiency. 6-in-1 multifunction station combines charging, control, and maintenance functions for added convenience. True edge edge-to-edge cleaning ensures thorough cleaning right up to window edges for a streak-free finish. Triple wide-angle spray nozzles delivers even water distribution for powerful dirt and stain removal. Dual power modes, flexible cleaning options for different levels of dirt and window conditions. 12-level safety protection system, advanced safety features for secure operation on vertical glass. Strong suction technology keeps the robot firmly attached to glass surfaces during operation. Intelligent path planning, optimized cleaning routes for complete window coverage, ideal for home and office use. Suitable for windows, glass doors, and mirrors, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2S Omni Window Cleaning Robot is a smart and efficient solution for effortless glass cleaning. Designed with advanced automation, it delivers precise, streak-free results while reducing the need for manual window cleaning. Its 6-in-1 multifunction station enhances convenience by integrating charging, control, and maintenance functions into one compact system. The True Edge technology ensures edge-to-edge cleaning, allowing the robot to reach corners and edges for a complete clean. Equipped with triple wide-angle spray nozzles, the WINBOT W2S Omni provides even distribution of cleaning solution to effectively remove dust, dirt, and smudges. Dual power modes allow you to adjust cleaning intensity based. Number 2. ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni Robot Window Cleaner with Auto Clean and Multifunctional Station, WinSlam 5.0 Smart Navigation, Intelligent Cleaning with Triple Spray System, 12-level protection. Smart window cleaning robot automatically cleans glass surfaces with advanced navigation and precision control. WinSlam 5.0 Navigation Intelligent path planning ensures efficient and thorough cleaning. Coverage. Auto Clean Multifunctional Station enhances convenience with automated operation and maintenance support. Triple spray system provides even water distribution for effective dirt and stain removal. 12-level protection system, advanced safety features for secure operation on windows. Strong suction and stability control keeps the robot firmly attached to glass surfaces during cleaning, edge and corner cleaning, designed to reach window edges for a streak-free finish. Remote and app control, easy operation and cleaning customization via smart controls, ideal for home and office use, suitable for large glass windows, doors, and mirrors. The ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni Robot Window Cleaner is an advanced smart cleaning device designed to simplify the way you clean glass surfaces. Featuring intelligent WinSlam 5.0 navigation, it maps and cleans windows with precision, ensuring full coverage and streak-free results. Its innovative triple spray system evenly distributes cleaning solution, effectively removing dirt, dust, and smudges for a crystal clear finish. The multifunctional auto clean station enhances usability by automating key cleaning processes and improving overall convenience. Built with a 12-level safety protection system, the WINBOT W3 Omni ensures secure operation while firmly maintaining suction on glass surfaces. It is designed to clean windows, glass doors, mirrors, and other vertical glass areas efficiently and safely, with smart controls and advanced automation. This robot window cleaner reduces manual effort. And Number 3. HOBOT S7 Pro Window Cleaning Robot, Dual Mop Polish Hand Wiping Technology, 15 nanometers ultrasonic spray, 4,800 Pascal suction. Automatic window washer robot for framed/frameless glass, indoor and outdoor use. Dual mop polishing technology simulates hand wiping for deeper, Streak-free window cleaning. 4800 PA strong suction secure attachment for stable cleaning on vertical glass surfaces. 15 nm ultrasonic spray system produces ultrafine mist for efficient dirt and stain removal. Smart window navigation automatically maps and cleans framed and frameless glass. Indoor and outdoor use suitable for windows, mirrors, glass doors, and smooth surfaces. Edge detection safety ensures precise cleaning near edges for complete coverage. Automatic operation hands-free cleaning with intelligent path planning. Microfiber cleaning pads designed for polishing and removing dust effectively. Quiet and efficient performance. Smooth operation with minimal noise disturbance. The HOBOT S7 Pro window cleaning robot is an advanced smart cleaning solution designed to deliver professional quality window cleaning with minimal effort. Number 4. HUTT S55 Pro window cleaning robot. 3D floating pads, up to 6,500 Pascal suction, hydrojet pump spray, SLAM 4.0 navigation, 80 milliliters water tank, 6x cloths, perfect for high-rise windows, tiles and glass. Powerful 6,500 Pascal suction strong grip ensures safe and stable cleaning on vertical glass surfaces. Hydrojet pump spray system provides efficient water misting for better dirt and stain removal. SLAM 4.0 intelligent navigation smart path planning for full and efficient window coverage. 3D floating cleaning pads enhanced contact for deeper cleaning and streak-free results. 80 ml built-in water tank supports continuous cleaning without frequent refilling. 6 high-quality cleaning cloths, durable and reusable microfiber pads for effective wiping, safe for high-rise windows designed with strong safety features for elevated glass surfaces. Multi-surface use works on glass, tiles, mirrors, and other smooth surfaces. Automatic edge detection ensures precise cleaning near edges and corners. The HUTT S55 Pro window cleaning robot is an advanced smart cleaning device designed to make window cleaning safer, easier, and more efficient. With powerful 6,500 Pascal suction, it securely attaches to glass surface. Number 5. ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni window cleaning robot with multifunctional station, charging while working, intelligent cleaning with triple nozzle water sprayer, 12-level protection. Portable window cleaning robot. Smart automated cleaning for glass surfaces with minimal effort. Multifunctional Omni station combines charging, control, and system management in one compact unit. Charging while working, continuous operation with optimized power management for longer cleaning sessions. Triple nozzle water sprayer, even water distribution for effective dirt and stain removal. Intelligent cleaning path. Smart navigation ensures full coverage of windows and glass surfaces. 12-level safety protection system. Advanced safety features for secure operation on vertical glass. Strong suction stability keeps the robot firmly attached during cleaning for safe performance. Edge-to-edge cleaning designed to clean corners and edges for a streak-free finish, ideal for home and office, suitable for windows, glass doors, and mirrors. The ECOVACS WINBOT